Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer and bring your phone number from your old network onto your new one if you're switching. Just a heads up, this will only work for those of you in the UK, but it will work for all networks. Let's get into it. You can follow this if you're getting a new phone or keeping your current one. I'll be referencing the old phone and old network when talking about the device and contract you've been using up to this point. So if you are keeping this phone, then you can follow all the steps for this, but you will have to switch out the SIM cards a little later on. The first step is to request a porting authorization code or PAC number from your old network. This is the one you're moving away from. The method to do this is fairly simple, but each network may have different ways to get it. That said, all networks have one method in common, as you can text a number to get this code. The number to text is the same for all networks. Texting the number won't initiate the switch, but you will have 30 days from getting the code to use it, so make sure you'll have your new device or new SIM card before then. Also, please check your old network's policy when it comes to cancelling a contract, especially if you're doing this before the contract end date, as the exact fees and costs may differ on each network. Check your old network's website for this info. Once you're ready to get the code, start a new text message on your device. As mentioned, the number is the same regardless of your network. The number is 65075, and the message you need to send is simply the letters PAC. You may receive a response asking you for more info, such as any PIN you have with your network like me, so send the message again as it requests. If this method doesn't work, most networks should have alternative ways to get the PAC, either through an online request or by calling a number. Once you get your PAC, you'll also probably receive information about the outstanding fees if there are any. These will be added to my final bill, but this may differ on each network. Remember that nothing will happen if you don't use your PAC, so if you change your mind you don't need to worry, as everything will continue as normal at your regular monthly cost. You do have 30 days from now though, so there's plenty of time to get your new SIM or device. You might want to make a note of your PAC code, but make sure this is kept secure and don't share it. You can of course request it again if you need it. The next step is to give this code to your network. This is the network you're switching to. Once you have purchased a new plan and you've received the new SIM or the new device and SIM, you can go do this, but some might allow you to do it as part of the purchase process, so keep an eye out for this. Once you've got your new SIM, some networks require you to activate it by inserting it into your phone. If you're using the same device for your new plan, then you'll need to remove your old one obviously. So whilst this is the case, remember that people won't be able to contact you with your old number. Once activated, you could re-enter your old SIM until the transfer is complete if you need to use it. Turn off your device when you want to either remove or insert a SIM. The method to give the code to the new network may be slightly different. What you'll need to do is find the web page that allows you to input your PAC code to your new network. I'll leave a link to this page for the major UK networks in the description, but you may want to search for something like your network name and then bring number or switch number. The information pack that came with your new SIM should also have this information. Follow any instructions that your new network provides when giving them your PAC code. Some networks' methods will be simpler than others. In my case, I'm filling out an online form that requires some more information, including the new temporary number. You can get this either from your phone with the new SIM in, or from your online account with the new network. It may also be on your SIM card welcome booklet. Once you've given your new network your PAC code, all you need to do now is wait for the transfer to complete. It will most likely be the next working day, although each network may be different, and you should receive confirmation once it's done. If you haven't already, insert your new SIM card now and check that the transfer has worked by making a call or by getting someone to call your number. You may need to turn off and then turn your device back on for the switch to complete, so try this if it doesn't seem to be working. One final thing to check, and this is for iPhone users only, is to see if your number has been updated in the iPhone settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down and tap on Phone. In the My Number section, check that this number is yours and not the one that came with the SIM. If it isn't right, tap on it and then enter your number. That's how to transfer and bring your phone number from your old network to your new one if you're switching. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.